In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of adding a new recorder to an S-VMX system. Begin by opening your system's configuration page. Navigate to Devices and System Nodes. Click the Add button to start adding a new node. Select Next to add a single node. Enter a descriptive name and the IP address of your recorder. Providing an NTP server address ensures the right timing for your recorded videos. Choose the recorder application for this node. Default values are suitable for most cases. Default loop file duration limits the video retention time. Set it correctly to comply with regulations. Match the number of recording channels to your recorder's capacity. Increase the number of players if you need to support more simultaneous playback streams. Drag and drop cameras from the tree view to their designated recording channels. Select particular stream if needed. From the distribution page, select Pending Updates and send the configuration request. The system will prompt you to create a restore point. Provide a brief description of the changes. Confirm any notifications related to system modifications and logging. Click Yes twice. The new recorder is now successfully integrated into your system. Thank you for watching the video. More videos are available from Teleste.